Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by launching Disk Cleanup now. Press Start and type Disk Cleanup, or open Run and enter cleanger. exe. Once the app appears, choose the drive you want to clean, typically C. You should close Open Programs so files aren't locked and save any work first. Selecting the drive triggers a quick scan for basic temporary files. This step matters because Disk Cleanup must know which volumes, cache, and temp items to analyze before presenting removable item choices. Now you'll expand the tool to clean deeper system items, click Clean Up System Files, and allow it to rescan. You'll see selections like Temporary Files, Recycle Bin, Thumbnails, and Delivery Optimization Files. Check items you no longer need. Make sure to review the size estimates so you understand the space savings. If you need to remove old Windows Update files or previous installations, include those, otherwise keep them. This choice affects recovery options, so decide with intent. To finish, confirm by pressing OK, then delete files and let Disk Cleanup run. This can take minutes depending on selection. Once done, reboot your PC so any locked files release and storage metrics update. If Disk Cleanup reports errors or won't remove certain files, make sure Windows Update isn't active, then run System File Checker and DISM from an elevated prompt to repair system components. If space still looks wrong, check storage settings for large folders and consider CCleaner or a manual inspect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.